Well, yeah, because my husband had and my son had, so, you know, they got them blue guys. So, wow, this is really nice. $2,699. Cool. And they have the small ones over there.
They don't see the value in it, you know, but, you know, you got a lot of but there again, that's why the flip is in those areas.
There you go. Look at that, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Okay.
Ron's like a big boy toy, yeah.
Oh, to see the whole back of this? This is cool. This is all from Kramer's in Sydney. Very nice. All these club cadets.
My guys are good.
Look at that.
Guys, you know Lee that works
This one, $3,649.
anything?
$2,699. And the motor's all in the back here. And another club cadet. This is $1,549. Oh, that's a good deal. Nice. Okay, mower decks sold separately. Ah, there you go. That's the difference. $500. But this is a big club cadet. $3,549. This is GT 2000. Nice. Huh. All the different ones. All right, here we have some Husqvarnas. Special 0% financing up to 48 months. Cool. A few of them, huh? Nice ones. Pretty neat. 42-inch deck. Okay, this one is $3,299.95. All right, so there you go. A couple of these. Broken thumb. Oh, look at this. Nice little buggy.
Polaris.
A Polaris buggy? Wow. Oh, two-seater. Wow, this is kind of weird shape, isn't it?
This is electric. This is an electric vehicle. It's street
Electric?
legal, zero emissions, heavy-duty DC motor, spacious ergonomic cab, 3-point seat belt, aluminum frame, 4-wheel brakes, 2-year warranty, high-low beam headlights, pennies a day to operate, carries up to 6 people or 1,440-pound payload.
Wow.
There you go. And I'm
So what year is this?
New.
Brand new, really? Oh, I thought from the side, the shape of it, it was older. Like an antique because of the bubble looking. Oh, look at that.
So you can have yourself an electric vehicle, because it's street legal, for the total price of $10,204.
$10,204? That's not bad.
Base model is $8,799.
Wow, this is cool. It's cute. Looks like a little policeman buggy. You know, the blue and the white kind of gives you that look. Isn't that something? Cute little buggy.
This is perfect.
Got lights.
Just go around town. There's no doors.
You can go around town. In other words, you can put this on the street.
That's why it said on there street legal. You can
Street
register.
legal?
Yep.
Oh my God. How do you like that?